get a freak on. He came here to